Hello friends, this is second video of exercise 8.2. So let's solve. Now firstly sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 and sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Now we will solve it. We will firstly take all its LCM. So 2 root 3, what will it will come out as root 3, not like this. We will firstly solve these two. So it will be 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2 minus 2 root 3 upon, and 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 2 by root 3 plus 3 by 2. It is something like this. Now we will take LCM. LCM is 2 by root 3. So it comes out as 3 root 3 minus 2 to the 4 upon 2 root 3, and now root 3 into 2 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3 root 3. It will be something like this. After solving these, after solving this one, it will be like this. Now we will solve further. So 2 and 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 cancelled out. So finally what's remaining? 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. It is remaining. Now let's solve this one. We will rationalize the denominator. To solve this equation, we will rationalize the denominator. By multiplying root 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4. We will write it like this: 3 root 3 minus 4. It is in plus 4. So let's solve it. It is in 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4. It becomes a plus b and its whole square, a minus b and its whole square. So 3 root 3 minus 4 and its whole square upon, it is something like a plus b and a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. So 3 root 3 and its whole square minus 4 and its whole square. Now we will expand it. So 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 plus 4 4 are 16 minus 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 24 and root 3. Now 3 root 3 and its whole square, what it will become? 27 minus 4 4 are 16, 16. Now 27 plus 16 equal to 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16 equal to 11. This is the answer. Now last part of question number first. 5 cos square 60. So we will solve it. Solution: 5 cos square 60. So 5 into, what is the value of cos 60? What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and its whole square plus 4 into, what is the value of sec 30? What is the value of sec 30? Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 and its whole square minus, what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 and its whole square upon Sine square 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2 and its whole square, plus cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 and its whole square. Now we will solve it. So 5 into 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4, it will become 5 by 4. We can directly write 5 by 4 plus 2 to the 4. 4 4 the 16. 16 upon root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 minus 1. It is something like this. And 1 by 2 and its whole square, it will become 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2, it will become 3 by 4. Now, so firstly we will take LCM of these two. Firstly we will take LCM. 4 3 are 12 and 4 3 are 5 3 are 15 plus 3 4 are so 16 4 are 64 and minus 12 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 4 upon 4. It is cancelled out. Now what is remaining? 15 plus 64 equal to 6549 and 617. 79 minus 12 upon 12. So it comes out as 67 upon 12. It is the answer. Now this question has been solved. Meet you in next video. So thank you.